Hi guys, let's get into this empty house tour. Hey guys, so this is the first living room. It's right when you walk into the front door. My little one's enjoying the echo, and you guys, two large windows, which you guys know I love natural light. Come on, poo poo. No, leave it alone. And through here, it's all open floor plan, you guys, and I love that. I love it, I love it, I love it. So here's the kitchen. As you guys can see, we've already started bringing in our groceries that was in the car. We need to make sure we got those into the fridge as soon as possible because some of this stuff was supposed to be in the fridge already. So, got a big fridge. I know I've been wanting one of these gigantic refrigerators for the longest. Finally got that thing. It's about to go down. I just like how open it is. I'll be able to see my little one, if he is there. If he runs from one end to the other, I'll be able to see him. So over here, right off the kitchen, this door leads to, is there a light switch in here? Two-car garage. Our cars are in here already. I just parked them both in there. Come on, Geezy Geezy. Our dog. This is kind of like a little mud area, I guess. This is where the washer and dryer goes. It's got its own little room, which is great because I don't like my stuff all over the house. Ooh, that's a van. Come on, Kai. Come on, Poo Poo. Come on. Rubs hands like Birdman. All right. The next door is just an extra closet. I don't know why there's paint in there, but we got to get that out of there. But extra closet. Back into the kitchen, you guys. I love how big this island is. You have no idea. I love that thing. It's great. All right. Over to this way, to this side, I don't know what to this way means. There is a little desk nook area right here. I'll probably set up some stuff in there, or my husband will, I'm not really sure. Probably me, because it's open, and you know, he has to be quiet when he's working, so he'll probably do it in another room. Here is the second bathroom, which is going to be our guest bathroom. So nice. Like I'm turning on extra stuff. I'm trying to turn stuff off. I'm turning it on. Come on, Kai. Can you close the door for Mama? Yeah. Thank you. We have another closet. Y'all know I need storage, so I'm so happy to see all these closets. Poo-poo, come on. Come on now. Now you be so intrigued by bathrooms. I don't know why. Probably because move your fingers. I don't want to get your fingers in there. And then here are the two bedrooms. One will be Kai's room. One we'll probably use as an office. So here is one of them. I don't even... There's a dimmer switch here. So here is one bedroom. It has double door closet. And then here is the second one. Where's Gizmo? Gizmo! What's his bed? Here is the second room. It looks just like the other one, except it doesn't have the double door closets because this one's more of like a walk-in closet. Whereas to that other one, it's probably just like, I think it's flush, like flat. Going back out into the living dining combo here. I love that fireplace, you guys. I'm so excited about all these windows. The windows make me happy because I've been in places where you get one window per room and it is just the darkest space in the world. Anywho, into the living dining area. I'll probably set the table over there in between the living room and the kitchen area. Not sure how we're going to do that yet, but I just like this fireplace. I think it's so pretty. Our TV's going to have to go on that wall, which I wasn't wanting to do because the plug is right there. So we'll figure it out. Into the master bedroom. Double doors. So here is our master. Of course, we haven't moved anything in yet because you guys, we literally just pulled up. Not joking. Just pulled in here like 10 minutes ago. Here is the master bathroom. Got a tub and a shower, toilet in its own room, right? And then if you go over here, it's 2 closets. They are identical. So one will be for my husband, one will be for me. Kai, leave it alone. Don't mess with the tub yet, Pooter, okay? It's not bath time yet. Give me a little while. So this one will be one of ours. I'm not sure if it'll be mine or his just yet. Come on, thing. Focus. There it is. Walking. Double sinks, you guys. I'm so glad we got 2 sinks because me and my husband fight over counter space. Here is a linen closet. Come on out, Kai. You gonna close it? Thank you, sir. You're such a nice young man. Come on out. No. Come on out. Come on. Let me turn on some of these lights. No, Kai. He's trying to open every door he can. Come on. Let's go out here. Let's go look at the yard. I know you guys can see the yard through the trees there. My husband should be on his way back by now. So I should probably start swiffering like I said I was going to do. There it is. And here we are into the backyard. Backyard again. I'm so excited to have a backyard. Look at him. He's already over here just like, yeah, space. It's going to be great for the 2 of them to run around and play and just have fun back here. Excited for that. Took my little while to get down here, but he did it. Good hustle, son. Okay, guys, I just wanted to come on here and close this video out and talk to you guys a little bit about the space. It is really big compared to what we were in. I think it's about 1,000 square feet bigger. I do love the floors in general because 2 of the bedrooms have carpet, but the main parts of the house, including the master, are hardwood, and that's great when you have a toddler and a dog. Though our dog is house trained, he still sometimes drinks too much water or eats too much and then he'll throw up or something. He doesn't think that through. So I do really love the space overall. I am going to come back here in about a week and a half to do a furnished house tour, so you guys see. But we're waiting for some stuff to come in that is not here yet. And I got some stuff I'm ordering as well to finish off the way that the place looks. So I'm excited about that. So stay tuned for that video, you guys. It took us a while to get here. We drove about 6 or 7 hours through the night. So I'm really tired. I'm just trying to get all the boxes put where they're supposed to be at, unpack everything, and then kind of get settled in and then wait for the stuff to come in. Then I'll do that other video for you guys. So yeah, I am really excited about the move though. And as I said before, I really love the space. It's just been a big blessing. Everything's just such a blessing being here at this point. So we'll come back in a week and a half, as I said before. I know I look rough, you guys. I guess I've been moving nonstop for about a week straight. My feet hurt so bad. And I play ball. Maybe it's because I haven't been, no, I'm wearing pretty comfortable shoes. I'm just sore. My feet hurt. I just want to sit down. It feels like I'm walking on pillows. So once I get everything done, I'm probably going to sit for about 3 or 4 days straight. Yeah. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please watch the videos, you guys. I really appreciate it when you watch them. It really helps me when you support me. Thank you guys so much. The people who are watching my videos, I really appreciate you guys. I thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for all of your support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.